Uni-Craft offers a broad line of positioning equipment, including scissor lifts, tilt tables, mast lifts, and upenders to provide ergonomic and safety solutions. We are taking solutions to new heights. The Uni-Craft Corp team presents the Upender that repositions large, round, and odd-shaped products from manufacturing and assembly to the end of the line for palletizing and shipping. The Upender lifts and maneuvers products to make them more accessible during manufacturing and assembly, and offers a range of speed and voltage options to meet the specific needs of your operation. The Upender offers many benefits and is tiltable up to 95 degrees. The Upender is capable of standard capacities ranging up to 8,000 pounds or more. Just like many of Uni-Craft's products, it is also designed for hand tool removable replacement parts to minimize downtime. Uni-Craft's unique pass-through Upender provides complete rotation for specialized manufacturing applications. Contact Uni-Craft, where we are taking solutions to new heights.